Looks so naked without it. Got the first side drilled out, got it marked where I want to trim for the bumper. Let's get to the other side. This side done. So what we got here, see how nice and tight it is now. Got some lines in here I still need to work on. Sits back. Look how far back it sits. Clears the bumper. Look at that. Raised it up. Look at the headlights. Nice and close. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to cut these off. I'm going to raise them up. Probably to right about here, even with the bumper. Just this part I'm hoping will be below this line, or even with this line, so it will hang below the bumper and then come up in the same spot. Let's get on it. I have one raised. I'm on to this one. I haven't touched this side. I think I'm 2.5 hours in just to get one done. You know how the first one is. It's coming around much better. Look at it. I have to cut off a little bit of this bracket too. Compared to that side. One side done. What do you guys think? Headlights free and clear. Headlights free and clear. Just got to raise this side up. See that? See how much nicer that is? And I put the line over here where it's going to be cut. Probably curve it. Trim a little bit of this bracket off. I mean, I've raised it up like 3/8 of an inch, so that's like another 1.5 inches, 2 inches. It's gonna make a huge difference. I mean, it already looks so much better. But I was hammering these things. I never scraped that much before. But we'll see what happens. All right, folks. Finished product. Well, almost finished. I rattle canned it. You can see how nice it fits now. Super sturdy. Put a little camera mount down here. Give you guys those crazy upside down views. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.